Good morning and welcome to another video. Yes, I am back. I know y'all see that, but whatever. Yeah, y'all. Hold up, let me do it again. Hi, and welcome back to another video. No, I don't like saying that shit. Hey y'all, what y'all doing for Valentine's Day? Giddy. Got my Valentine's Day hair in. You feel me? Look at this. Look at this. Come through. Come through with a little splash of burgundy up in there. You see me. I'm so different. I'm so different, so different, so different. So stay tuned. Period. Okay, for sure you need the hair, a tripod, the wig cap of your choice. And yeah, you see that canvas head? It's been through a lot. Okay. There go the thing right there. Other than that, I'm gonna speed this video up. I'm just showing y'all this is a crochet cap. I bought 4 of them from OMG, is it wig types or Sam Beauty? Anyway, you can get these anywhere though. But I want the one with the lace on there in the front so it look real, but it's all good. It got 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. And I really like these caps. Like I'm telling you, I'm walking around, period. So now on this clip, I'm just showing y'all some comb in the front, 2 combs in the front, like I said, 1 comb in the back. Okay? We're gonna put it on the canvas head. Excuse me. Oh my god. Ugh. Sorry, y'all. I'm still laying in bed doing this voiceover. Making it snug on there. This video actually could have been shorter, probably. But I'd explain a little bit. You know. There you go. Look at them combs on the side. Y'all gonna be like, what? That's a wig? Ain't no way I spend hours on my damn head. Not no more, baby. Not no more, sis. Not no more, bruh. Period, poop. Yes, this is my first time making a crochet wig. LOSMEER sent me that here for free. Thank you, LOSMEER. Cheers. It came with the what I said? Okay, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. That's what I was saying. Bam. You get all those right there. And it's like $12 per pack. Bomb. Plenty enough here to have a full head of wig. Full head of hair. That's what I meant to say. Also, in the color 1B. Oh, and I did like 2 rows of individuals. Y'all to make that wig look natural. On your natural hair, do two roller locks, okay? Like 2 roller braids, and you crochet that shit in or whatever. Look at these locks, they bomb. My only complaint is them damn what you call it, the hoops, the hoop space, the loop space. Girl, you got to play with it. You hear me? You got to literally play with that hole and stretch it out. Okay, and I mean that with the utmost respect. Respect it. That's what 2 Chainz be saying though. But yeah, right here I'm showing y'all the act. Like, look how small that is. You got to play with it. You hear me? Look at me. Look at this. I love how distressed it is though, but the actual loose space, girl, I was struggling. I don't even think I end up putting that. Look at me. Look at that. Why was I struggling like that? Cause you, whew, girl, make sure that latch hook is open. Period. You see that? I know it's not a good position, but still. You only got 4 on here. 4. Yo, word advice, make sure that hoop or loop. Do you say hoop or loop? Anyways, make sure you stretch it big enough so when you crochet, you can put the end part of the crochet in there, boop, like that. But I'm about to make another wig probably tomorrow because I got some more locks, and y'all gonna see. It's only got 4 in right there. I was struggling. So right here, I'm showing y'all how you can like unravel it a little bit so you can stretch out the hoop. Look, you got to play with this sheet. You hear me? Play with that hole. Literally. Okay? Make it big enough. Here I go again. Y'all. And just go in. Boom. I'm trying to show y'all again. Literally, it was so easy to make this wig, though. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't no cap. No cap. Voiceovers are freaking funny to me. I was supposed to upload this video, but hey, at least this video is less than 10 minutes long. Okay? But anybody can do this. If I can do it, most definitely y'all can. So y'all already know. Hit that subscribe button, like, share it. Stay tuned because y'all know I'm gonna make another video. So you already know that's the back of the wig. That's why I was pointing on there like that. That's the back of the wig with the comb. Okay. And you got 2 combs in the front on the side. Yup. But she pretty. She ready. I'm just gonna fill her in. End up adding some other locks. So bye y'all. Peace.